Before we begin this video, please subscribe right now and click the notification bell to get news on Asante Kotoko. Welcome back guys to Daily Kotoko. Today we are going to be reviewing Asante Kotoko's 2-1 victory against Rahimo FC in their first international friendly game, preseason game at the Bavaria Stadium on Sunday. So yesterday Asante Kotoko played their first game under new coach Kotoko Zakariasin. And even though it was a friendly game, the fans gathered to see the new signings in action. The fans also came to see the style of the new coach. Asante Kotoko beat Rahimo FC 2-1 yesterday thanks to 2 goals from Martin Antwi and Kelvin Andor. It wasn't a very good performance, but I'm sure the fans were pleased with what they saw at the stadium. Now let's get into Kotoko Zakariasin's style of play. Kotoko Zakariasin likes an organized defensive line, and that is why he is going to talk to his defense after they gifted Rahimo FC a goal due to their poor positioning. Now take a look at their goal. You can see that all Kotoko players are clustered with these 2 right here and left this number 17 alone, and he had to strike and score. You see they are now lying on the floor. You know it's too late for them and they should have covered that position and should have been conscious of the players around them. That is what Kotoko will address after the game. As you can see, they all went 1, 2, 3, 4 went for only 2 players, and this one is left free, and boom, he scores. So Coach Kotoko will address that in the training or in the dressing room after the game. They have to improve if they want to go far in any competition they are in. Another reason Kotoko fans should be excited is that Kotoko might now be good with set pieces after scoring twice from a corner kick. And Kotoko had a lot of chances through the corner kick against House of Oak and other special competition games, but failed to convert any. On Sunday, they converted 2 corner kicks, and I can't remember the last time Kotoko scored 2 corner kicks in one game. Coach Kotoko will build on the corner kick advantage to get results from tight games. Now, another thing Kotoko fans should look out for is Kotoko's attacking pattern. He likes it when the players have the ball up front and give it to the winger to cross into the box with players waiting to convert these chances. Now, this is what the formation Asante Kotoko used against Rahimo FC looks like, with one player dropping here and this one staying up front. Now, the style of play is very simple. If Kotoko's side is attacking, his idea is that, or his philosophy is that, players here, a group of players here will be passing the ball while moving forward, and they will give chance for another player to run towards this end. And when the player run towards a good position, one of these players right here will lay a pass to him right there. And when they give the pass to him right there, he moves forward in a position where he can cross the ball. And while he is running towards that position, all these players will run into the box, and some of them will wait here. All these players will run into the box for him. They will wait for the cross for him. They wait for the cross from him, and 3 players. You can see 3 players here in the box, and one of them will be looking to convert the chance and score. Then while the players are up front, let's not forget about the defense. Some of them will be here in case there's an attack, and this defensive line will also be here, and they'll be very, very active in case there's a counter attack from the opponent. But this is how Kotoko's team organized their attack. They all move forward and give a ball to one person, and he crosses the ball that will meet about 3 players in the box to convert the chances.
Safu here, Roland in the box, another ball in here, outscored, not given up!
Asante Kotoko will face Kano Pillars of Nigeria in the first round of the CAF Confederation Cup, and they will be looking to advance to the next stage, and they will need to work very hard if they want to advance to the next stage. So that's all for now. Don't forget to comment what you think about this video, like, subscribe, and also you can also suggest video or types of video or content you like to see on this channel. Till next time, guys, goodbye.